My name's Rossa Brugha. I'm a pediatric respiratory and lung transplant pediatrician at Great Ormond Street Hospital in London. I have been doing lung transplant now for about 3 years. When I was little, I watched a lot of ER, so I was like, right, I'm going to go to medical school. My dad's a doctor, and he was like, no. So defying my father was the ultimate act of rebellion. So I went to Oxford, I was there for 6 years, and then did a bit of messing about and moved to London and trained as a pediatrician. Pediatrics is hard because you can't just do the blood test and then decide. You've got to think really hard about if you want to put the kid through the blood test. And it appeals to the sort of Sherlock Holmes nature of what is the story here, what is going on, all that stuff. So it's just endlessly fascinating. I got to do a little bit of it as an intern. That spiked my love of pediatrics. My one bit of advice to trainees who are looking to choose mentors is when you're on the ward round, listen to what the attending is saying, and then challenge yourself. Is that what you would have done? And if it's not, but you can think of a better reason, then you're ready to step up. This is my first meeting at ISHLT, but I've managed to become involved in various projects of putting together consensus guidelines, and it's really good to meet colleagues who you've had conversations with, and people who I've emailed about difficult cases who are now here in the flesh to discuss it with. It's really powerful. My hopes for the future achievements. I want to do all kinds of cool things that will just increase the number and availability of transplants for kids. Like pediatric lung transplant is decreasing. A lot of that is for good reasons because we've got much better at treating some of the conditions, but there are children out there with certain conditions, or the smaller infants where the technologies and the donors just aren't there. The answers are out there, and if we can put the resource and the application and the desire to do it together, that could be really transformative.